So this here is where I'm going to show you how I do what I call lazy man sheet mulching, also called lasagna gardening. And I'm going to build on top of the lawn here. I'm going to build 7 rows. Why 7? 1, because I have 2 feet for each row, and 2, because I need 7 rows at this length to accommodate all the vegetables that I need for my family to store for the winter. So this box here would likely get rejected by the recycling stream. If you put that in your blue box, chances are it would be rejected because all that grease is going to contaminate the recycling chain. So this box, on the other hand, is perfect for sheet mulching because all that grease is going to attract the worms who are going to eat this lovely cardboard and all its friends and poop it back out into the soil to become food for my vegetables. So that is the sum total of my pizza boxes for the entire winter, which I have laid out in a strip. And I did find some extra cardboard last night. It was Blue Box Day on my street, and I was able to pick up a large stack of cardboard, so I'm going to put that next to the pizza boxes. As you can see, some of this cardboard has tape or stickers on it, so I'm going to be taking that out and any staples before I get started. So I hope you can hear me. The kids next door are playing, but as you can see, I have made all my cardboard into a uniform-ish strip going from post to post, and that's going to be the first row of my new garden. This here is a box that I'm going to rip up in a second and use to block any holes because I don't want any weeds to come up. I just wanted to show you guys the amount of plastic that I pulled off that cardboard right there, and just say to you guys, like, if you're gonna go to the trouble of recycling cardboard, please take the extra step of pulling any plastic off of it, like tape or any metal like staples, because it's going to make it a lot easier and cheaper for the waste management stream to recycle that effectively. Alright, so what you can see here is that I have dug up the rhubarb, and it was extremely emotional for me to do that because that was my grandma's rhubarb, and I did end up breaking most of the leaves off. And stalks, which I am going to eat. Normally I would let those go a little bit longer before I harvested them. But I do have a nice selection of rhubarb with some fantastic nice long roots. In the bottom of that bin is compost from my home composter. And I'm going to go put compost underneath the garden over there. And then lay out some of this rhubarb, and whatever I don't think I need, I'm going to put into a pot and give it to the school garden. Okay, so what I've done here is I just put a handful or 2 of the compost into a pile and laid my root system of my rhubarb plants on top. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed so I can show you. And then this here is my root system, and I'm just going to try and line it up. Honey, I think you're getting sick, babe. You got a fever. Want to hold that for a sec and keep filming? Try not to shiver it up. Alright, does that look straight, like a row? Okay. Alright, so what you see here is I have made a row on top of the cardboard, on top of the compost, and I am going to go over to my garden there, and I'm going to harvest some of my soil from my existing garden, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to basically build a raised row around those beet roots. Alright, so it's getting dark and it's going to rain, and I'm pretty much done for the night. I just wanted to show you that what I ended up with was a strip of like a raised row on top of the cardboard. Plan is to continue that row all the way down the strip. Hi, Lando. And then what I'm going to do is make a raised row. So this section here is the compost. Lando, can you please go? Hi, this is my dog. Go. And These are the potted rhubarbs that I'm giving to the school or whoever wants them, and I just put some of my stuff on the cardboard because it is going to rain for the next 24 hours. 100% chance of rain, it says. So that's kind of why I wanted to do this tonight. Transplanting perennials is always better when they don't have blistering sun the next day. It's always better if they could get a nice gentle rain. So hopefully that's what we'll get, and overcast skies, and they'll settle in there just fine, and hopefully not too much of that. So what I've done here, there's the rhubarb at the end. Got 3 plants of that. This here section is my raspberries. Got them transplanted over. And then I've got 6 large blueberry plants. Kind of hard to see, but I dug them up and moved them over. So that's the last one there. In this area here that doesn't look like too much is happening, I have my asparagus plants, so I'm happy to wait for some shoots to come up out of there. And then over here, from here to the end, I have my strawberries, which I just transplanted over, and they're already starting to green up nice, so that should be it. So there you see the roll of cardboard that we saw from the previous video. And it now has all of my perennials transplanted from the other garden over here. Okay, you can see that I have tried to get it super straight. It's not perfect, it's not ideal, but I'm going to try to camouflage that with the mulch, which is the next step. So I've never done this before, but what I'm actually going to do is cover the leading edge of the garden with another layer of cardboard, and then I'm going to mulch on top of that. Okay, so as of right now, I have stopped it at the halfway point. You can see my original stake there, and at the far end you can see my other stake, and you can see what hopefully looks like a fairly straight row on the cardboard there. The perennials themselves down the middle, pretty straight. On this side here, I have finished my row with mulch. On this side, I have not. And the reason is because I'm hoping to, it's Blue Box Day tomorrow in my village, and I'm hoping to get some more cardboard and fill in enough to make another row. So my plan is to fill it all the way in over to that other stake, and you can see the other one down there. So it'll be about 5 rows like this, and we're also going to get rain for the next 5 days, so we're going to see what the rain does. I feel pretty confident that this side is going to remain intact. We'll see what happens over here. Hi. So as you can see, I've got the first row done with my perennials, and I've got the cardboard laid out for the second row. So next step is to build another row of soil, and then I'm going to cardboard over the last half of that row to prevent weeds, and then I'm going to start building my next row. Okay, so I stretched the next row of cardboard out alongside, and then I put dirt on top of it, and then I went along with another row of cardboard along my last raised row that I made with my perennials in it. That strip there is going to act like a weed barrier, hopefully, and I'm just going to mulch that, and that's probably all I'm going to get done before the rain comes in. It's looking pretty not good, so we're supposed to get quite a bit tonight, and hopefully it won't wash all that fresh soil away, but if it does, no biggie, because it'll just be under the garden. Okay. It's actually starting to rain now, but what I have done is mulched that cardboard, and I have laid down the leading edge of the cardboard under the soil over here with random things to try to hold it down, because if the weight of the dirt isn't enough and the wind happens to catch that leading end, it's going to really suck. So hopefully the wind won't be too bad, and the weight of the rain and these items will be good enough to hold it all down. And with that, I'm going in. Hi everyone, what's up? Just catching you up on where I'm at, what I've done so far. So the last time I saw you guys on this side, we had just another flat row of cardboard. Since then, what I did was cover it in dirt, and then I made a raised row up the middle. Not as straight as it could have been now that I look at it, but however. And then I mulched on either side, and this is actually planted now with all my roots. So I have fruits and roots so far. And I've got a couple of weeks before the frost-free date, so I'm probably gonna leave it at that for now, because I have some other stuff to do on the other side of the yard there before the deck comes down. But yeah, it's mulched, it's planted, and looks like the strawberries there are coming along nice, and the rhubarb down at the very end, you can kind of see from here, is doing okay. And I'm gonna go with everything is a success so far. So this is sheet mulching 101. I call it lazy man's sheet mulching. I'm no expert, but it's working for me. All right, peace out. All right, third row done. Try to keep the rows as straight as I can. Still got some mulching to do there in the strawberries. This row here, I made it a little deeper. It's gonna be for my tomatoes. Put lots of compost under there. And I left a little overlap on the cardboard for when I get some more, so that I can lay it down on top of there and there won't be any gaps. That way the weeds won't come through, or the grass. But until I get more cardboard, I'm on hold, and I'm going away for work for 3 days, so I won't be doing anything for a while. I'm going to leave my rain gauge out so that I can see how much rain we get over the next 3 days, because it's supposed to rain every day this week. Alright, catch you later. So today is not even 11 months after I started this garden, and this is what it looks like. If you recall, this area here had a double row of cardboard, and I'm just going to dig down and show you that cardboard is completely gone. I'm not sure if you can see that. I don't want to make too big of a hole. You might have to take my word for it. But the cardboard is completely gone.